Um, we are now going to move down to unit number 7, and this is an example of a z-test. What we're doing here is it says the question starts out with the studies in the 1970s indicate that the average age for children that take their first alcoholic drink is 14.6 years old. Sociologists believe that they are starting at a younger age. A simple random sample of 144 adults is selected, and the age at which the adult took their first alcoholic drink is recorded. The sample mean age is 13.3, and the population standard deviation is known to be 5 years. So if we get out this chart again, we can kind of do a trace. So it's one sample. It's going to be a means because we're checking the 13.3 versus the, what was it, the 14.6. And we actually know the population mean, so that means it's going to be a z-test. So we'll use a z-test for this. And then what we'll put in then is the various things we know. So on this problem here, if we go down to test, it's the z-test is the first one there. It's going to be statistics, and we know that the population mean is 14.4, and we know that the sample standard deviation here is 5, and we know that the population standard deviation and 13.3 is the standard sample standard deviation, and my size is 144. And if I look at the question again, it says sociologists believe that they started at a younger age. So we're going to say it's going to be younger than this right here. We're going to say it's something less, and we're going to check that right there. And if I go down here to calculate, I'm just going to look at the p-value that comes up. And my p-value, let's get my z-score first. My z-score here is a negative 2.64. So on problem number 7, the z-score is negative 2.64. And the p-value is 0.00415. So we would reject that the two means are equal. The 14.4 is equal to the 13.3, and say that it does appear that the population is starting to drink earlier than the 14.6 years that it's started with. 14.6, not 14.4. And that's how you would do that. So you would just simply agree with the sociologists. And that's it.